Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is update on week 3 of my cut, and I wanted to fill you in on what's going on. So things are going very well. The training is consistent. The eating is consistent, and once again, I had a loss this week of 1 pound even. So thrilled that I'm on track. This is the expected plan that we've set for myself, 1 pound a week, whether or not I lose a little more as way as ounces go or gain a few ounces, it's not a big deal. But as long as we have a steady 1 pound a week loss, I should be right on target. And I'm starting to look for different shows to compete in, because you guys know that's my goal. I want to compete in a physique competition. So eating is on point. My carbs are still the same. My protein is still the same. There's been nothing tweaked. The only thing that I've done a little bit differently is trained a little bit differently, kind of switching things up, because after a good solid 3 months of basically the same exercises, your body becomes very efficient and used to that. So what I've been doing is increasing my reps just a little bit if I can, going a little heavier each time if I can, trying to hit some PRs, which stand for personal records. I have been incorporating some other exercises and taking some away just to change it up. I mean, a bicep exercise is going to be a bicep exercise, but there's so many different ways you can do them. You can add more weight and do less reps. You can hold the barbell, dumbbell, whichever you're using, in a different way. You can just add a couple of more reps onto your set. You can do an extra set. There's so many different ways. You can use cables, you can use free weights, you can use your body weight. So I'm trying to do that a little bit. That's pretty much my only difference. The new job has started and I absolutely love it. I am so happy and so at peace and so glad that I made this move. So I think my endorphins with everything are just way high right now. The job is great, the training's great, the eating's great, my family life is great. It's a really good place right now. February 5th, I will be leaving to fly out to Kentucky for a business trip and some training, which I'm really excited about. The hotel we're staying at, I believe, has a gym inside, so I will gladly bring you along with me and show you my training, or how I'm going to even be in a hotel and stay on plan with my meals. I will show you that. I will show you what I'm packing in my bag to bring on the airplane and the whole 9 yards. So I'm excited. So anyway, guys, another pound down. Things are going great. I am seeing a little bit of muscle definition, which is so exciting when all of a sudden you see a little bit more of a muscle and you're like, oh my God, that is like, that's my goal, and I'm so excited. I can't wait for one day when I can just like wear, I don't know, a bathing suit, a bra and underwear, something, and just look in the mirror and be like, wow, your hard work paid off, girl. This is something that I plan to do as long as I can do it. I just feel so good, guys. I feel really good. I feel like when I was fundamental keto, I felt amazing also, but there's something about what I'm doing now. I don't know if it's because I'm taking in some complex carbs and the vitamins and minerals that they have inside them. You know, sweet potatoes have amazing micronutrients, all the vitamins and minerals in them, and oats and things like that. I'm feeling so good. So good. Probably the best I've felt in a long time. So that's my little update for you. I'm going to try to do these each week and just let you know where I'm at. And if things need to be tweaked, if I gain weight, if I'm losing weight, I don't see any decrease in my muscle mass, because that was one of the things I was concerned of. Or concerned with when you're cutting back a little bit. Sometimes we have a tendency to lose a little bit of muscle, but my protein is really high, 180 grams a day, which is above my weight, but it's definitely keeping the muscle. I'm able to start losing some body fat while keeping the muscle and building new muscle. I'm getting stronger in the gym. Each time I go, there might be one exercise that I notice I get some more reps with. Not a whole lot, but it's definitely there and I'm improving. So I am so grateful and excited. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I will see you in my next video. And I still have to get that food scale video up, which I will do soon, I promise. All right? Have a great day, guys. Stay focused. Love you. Bye, guys.